Flexural Strength Test of Floor Tiles. The machine used for the flexural strength test of floor tiles, along with the assembly, is shown and the parts of the machine is mentioned. The sample is placed in the assembly of the test apparatus. The span between the two supports is maintained at 200 mm. A receiver, or container, is hung from the lever system. The empty weight of the container is taken. The loading is through double lever loading system, by means of a steady flow of lead shot, from a lead shot container to a receiver hung on the lever system. The flow of lead shot stops automatically on failure of test specimen. Now the container along with the collected lead shots is weighed and noted. Calculations. The collected weight of the lead shots is obtained by subtracting the empty weight of the container from the weight of container along with collected lead shots. The breaking load thus obtained in kilograms is multiplied by 9.8 to obtain the weight in Newton. Result. The modulus of rupture is equal to 1.076 into 10⁻³ Newton per millimeter square.